Mutungamiriri wemain opposition munyika yeZimbabwe vaadvocate Nelson Chamisa vamoudzwa kuti ndivo vanodikanwa nevanhu vauya vakaadresa his 20 main key points auya achiti aiwa in my first 100 days in office ndoda kumeka sure kuti these points they've been executed zvaitwa on the ground. Sanapinda mashuka mudani talk pana pana Nelson Chamisa ndobva subscribe oleko turn on the bell icon. Timda pendo pake anyora achiti number 1 release all political prisoners, restore dignity, rights, hope and respect to all citizens. Number 2, restore sanity to the educational system, remove the color curriculum, dignity to teachers. Number 3, remove bond notes, stabilize the economy, tax reforms, free and universal primary education in primary health care. Number 5, set stakeholder turnaround timelines to all public services, parastatals, municipalities application processes, free airwaves including allowing cheaper internet e.g. Starlink. Number 7, reintroduce the executive mayors in devolution. Number 8, depoliticize the state government, parastatals and councils. Number 9, revisit border paperwork for passenger vehicles and goods, especially RSA, ports, Zambia, etc. Reduce cross-border charges. Number 10, stop leakages and illicit financial flows, new laws and mechanism to deal with corruption. Number 11, war on drug cartels and barons. Number 12, title deeds to urbanites and all farmland, new farmers. Number 13, massive infrastructure rehabilitation projects. Number 14, fix broken politics, decisively deal with violence, intolerance and hate. Number 15, restoring Zimbabwe in the family of nations, normalizing relations with all key nations and countries. Number 16, debt resolution. 17, fair prices to farmers for their produce and crops. 18, restoration of leadership values, manners and ethics. 19, repeal all oppressive legislation. Number 20, e-government and digital platforms for everything. Domashukwa nachi drivo na Nelson Chamisa chiti aiwa in my first 100 days I'm going to execute these key objectives. Zvatukuona kuti aiwa Nelson Chamisa muna rededicated adasa change munyika yeZimbabwe. Ari kanyasa kuona kuti aiwa zvese izvezvi ndozviri kuhinda the success. Achiti aiwa ndikazvisa in place nyika yeZimbabwe tinoona kuti tingaita first step forward pachange yatiri kuda nechimirwa nemunhu wese. Tudze mafungiro enyu pine comment section medu. Subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.